There you goes. The oil seal is in. It takes a matter of seconds to do it once you have the fuel tank off. Just one screw. It lifts out. Push your new seal in, and slide the tube back in. Just be sure it's clean. That's a big thing. I cleaned this one up before I did all of that because I didn't want any trash falling down in the engine block. Yeah, it cleans up pretty nice, all but the paint flaking and coming off. That's got to be Ariens in there. I'm not sure if this one is paint or powder coat. The snowblowers is powder coated. Some of them is painted. Anyway, we will put the fuel tank on. I'll put the fuel tank on now. Let's see if I can do all this in one hand. All you want to do, like I was saying, those slides, and that's all there is to putting the tank on. Put your 3 screws back in it, and you're good to go there. Sorry if the camera was off a little bit. Put your 3 screws back in and you're good to go as far as that goes. And so you can see it under there. You can't really tell if it's going to leak now, unless it would be a bad leak, because oil right now is, I hope you can see this, oil right now is above this. It should be about flush or just a little over. If it wasn't in right, if it was very bad, it would be leaking now. But you'll really be able to tell once you start it. Now we're just gonna tackle replacing the friction wheel. I wasn't gonna do that. I had a guy looking at it and wanted it just the way it is. He said he didn't care if it was self-propelled, but I've got one here, so I figured I'd just throw it in.